This is how you enable cookies on Safari on iPhone. This might pop up as an error. When you try to log into a website, it might say cookies are disabled and it wants you to turn them on. The reason for that is not because they want to steal your data or do something bad. It's because when you sign into a site, like for Google, for example, has a sign in here, for the website to remember that you signed in, they use cookies. They can also use something else called sessions. That's something that's stored on their servers. They usually use cookies because that's stored on your phone, which requires less resources on their end. But the bottom line is, if you don't have cookies enabled and you try to sign into a site, every time you go to a different page when you're signed in, you have to sign in again because the website doesn't remember you. And that's one of the biggest reasons you'd want to have them turned on. To make sure they're turned on, or to turn them on if you know they're turned off, go into the settings. Make sure you're on the main settings page. Go all the way down till you get to apps. Tap on apps to open it. Tap on the S on the right-hand side. Tap on Safari. Now scroll all the way down. Big scroll to the very bottom to where it says advanced. Tap on that. And here we see block all cookies. It's currently turned off, which means all cookies are allowed on my phone. Yours might be like this. Now they're all being blocked. Just tap on that to turn it off, and that means all cookies will be accepted. And that's all there is to it. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. You've probably never done it, but it's super important that you do it. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.